In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain to Shopify store. If you want a clean branded link like shop.yourdomain.com for your storefront or a special landing area, a subdomain is a great way to keep things organized and easy for customers to remember. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so everything connects smoothly the first time. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Having the right permissions helps too, since domain settings are an admin level task. Once you're in the admin, head down to Settings, then open the Domain section. This is the control panel for anything related to your store's web addresses, and it's where you'll add or manage domains and subdomains. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. Even though we're adding a subdomain, this is still the right option because the base domain already exists with your registrar, and we're simply connecting a specific subaddress to Shopify. Now, enter your subdomain. For example, you might type shop.yourdomain.com. Pick a short, clear prefix like shop, store, or sale so it's easy to remember. A quick tip here, type only the subdomain and the main domain without HTTP, HTTPS, slashes, or extra spaces. Carefully double check the spelling and punctuation because even a small typo will prevent the connection. When you're sure it's correct, click Next. Shopify will now verify and connect the subdomain to your store. Behind the scenes, Shopify checks that the domain points where it needs to. If anything needs your attention, you'll see guidance right on the screen. Otherwise, the process continues automatically. After that, you'll see your subdomain listed on the domains page with a status of connected or processing. Connected means you're good to go. Processing means the system is still confirming the connection. This can take a few minutes, sometimes longer, depending on your domain settings, so don't worry if it doesn't flip to connected right away. Give it a bit of time and refresh the page. You can keep working on other parts of your store while you wait. And that's it. Your subdomain is now added to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.